विक्टोरियन पीरियड 1837 से लेकर 1901। विक्टोरियन लिटरेचर refers to English literature during the reign of Queen Victoria 1837 से लेकर 1901. There are numerous great writers who flourished during the period. The Victorian period divided into two further periods. Early Victorian period 1837 से लेकर 1870. Later Victorian period 1870 से लेकर 1901. The Victorian age was an age of doubts and disputes, conflicts and controversies, restlessness and psychological complexity. The earlier Victorian period was dominated by middle class supremacy. It was the age of free trade and of unrestricted competition. The great writers of Victorian period are Robert Browning, Albert Tennyson, Charles Dickens of Victorian period. Robert Browning, Alfred Tennyson, Charles Dickens, Matthew Arnold in Victorian period. Carlyle, Thackeray and Ruskin. Robert Browning, Alfred Tennyson, Charles Dickens, Matthew Arnold, Carlyle, Thackeray and Ruskin are Victorian writers. The most prominent writers of the later Victorian were Christina Rossetti, Charles Swinburne, George Eliot, William Morris, Thomas Hardy, Oscar Wilde Peter and others are later Victorian writers. Christina Rossetti, Swinburne, George Eliot, William Morris, Swinburne, Charles Rossetti, Thomas Hardy, Oscar Wilde Peter are later Victorian period writers. In poetry, Morris, Swinburne and Rossetti. In poetry of Victorian period, Morris, Swinburne and Rossetti were the protagonists of a new literary movement, the pre-Raphaelite movement. Later on, Morris, Swinburne and Rossetti. Later on, this movement, pre-Raphaelite movement, was followed by aesthetic movement. Followed by aesthetic movement. Its protagonists were Oscar Wilde. Aesthetic movement के protagonists थे Oscar Wilde, Ernest Dawson, Arthur Simmons and Lionel Piggott Johnson. aesthetic movement में कौन थे? Oscar Wilde, Ernest Dawson, Arthur Simmons and Lionel Piggott Johnson. In the field of novels, George Eliot laid the foundation of the modern psychological novel, followed by Thomas Hardy and Meredith. The Victorian period exhibits a unique and complex combination of two opposites, Romanticism and Classicism. The Victorian period exhibits a unique and complex combination of two opposites, Romanticism and Classicism. Basically, its inclination, the Victorian period's inclination towards Classicism was due to its rational approach to the problem of life, deeply moral attitude and a search for stability and balance. On the other hand, Victorian period exhibited close proximity to the Romantic spirit which had not completely exhausted itself. Notable poets Victorian period Alfred Tennyson 1809 से 1892. Alfred Tennyson is one of the most heralded English poets of the Victorian era. Victorian poet era, Alfred Tennyson, taking the position of poet laureate for over 40 years. Alfred Tennyson's volume of poems contains notable poems like The Lady of Shalott. Poems by Alfred Tennyson: The Lady of Shalott, The Lotus Eaters, Ulysses, Martyr d'Arthur by Alfred Tennyson. Ulysses, Martyr d'Arthur by Tennyson. Lotus Eaters, Tennyson. The Lady of Shalott, Tennyson. The story of Martyr d'Arthur is based on Thomas Malory's poem Martyr d'Arthur. In Memoriam 1850 is a very long series of meditation. In Memoriam 1850, Tennyson की poema In Memoriam Elegy is a very long series meditation of death of Arthur Henry Hallam, Tennyson's college friend who died at Vienna in 1830. In memoriam is the most deeply emotional and probably the greatest poetry Tennyson ever produced. Maud and other poems was received with amazement by the public. Ideals of the King Tennyson, Enoch Arden, Harold Tennyson, Enoch Arden, Tennyson, Harold Tennyson, are other works by Tennyson. Ulysses, one of best poem by in blank verse by Tennyson. Tennyson held the position of poet laureate for much of Queen Victoria's reign, for 1852 until his death 1892. Robert Browning 1812 से 1918 से 1992 तक. Robert Browning, Victorian poet, English poet, Victorian English poet Robert Browning, and playwright, whose mastery of dramatic monologues made Robert Browning one of the foremost Victorian poets. Mastery of dramatic monologues, Robert Browning. Robert Browning popularized dramatic monologue, The Ring and the Book. Robert Browning popularized dramatic monologue is The Ring and the Book. Ring and the Book is an epic length poem in which Robert Browning justifies the ways of God to humanity. The important works of Browning are dramatic lyrics, Ring and the Book, dramatic lyrics by Browning, Ring and the Book, Browning, dramatic presence, Browning, Men and Women, Browning. Browning is popularly known for his shorter poems such as Porphyria, Lover, Robbie Ben Ezra. Browning, How They Brought the Good News from Ghent to Aix, Robert Browning, and The Pied Piper of Hamelin, Robert Browning, Last Ride Together, Robert Browning, My Last Duchess, Last Ride Together of Hamelin, Pied Piper of Hamelin, Robert Browning. How They Brought the Good News from Ghent to Aix, Robert Browning, Robbie Ben Ezra, Robert Browning, Ophelia Lover, Robert Browning. For Lippo Lippi, Andrea del Sarto. For Lippo Lippi, Andrea del Sarto and My Last Duchess, My Last Ride Together are famous dramatic monologues. For Lippo Lippi, Andrea del Sarto, My Last Duchess, My Last Ride Together are famous dramatic monologues by Robert Browning. Robert Browning married Elizabeth Barrett Browning, another famous poet. Elizabeth Barrett Browning. During the Victorian period, Elizabeth Barrett Browning, wife of Robert Browning, wrote some excellent poems in her volume of sonnets from the Portuguese. Matthew Arnold 1822 से लेकर 1888. Matthew Arnold was an English poet and cultural critic who worked as an inspector of schools. Matthew Arnold is considered the third great Victorian poet, along with Alfred Lord Tennyson and Robert Browning. Victorian poet are Matthew Arnold, Tennyson और Robert Browning से ही. Matthew Arnold, Thyrsis, Dover Beach and the Scholar Gypsy. Thyrsis, Dover Beach and Scholar Gypsy are Matthew Arnold's notable poems. Thyrsis, Dover Beach and Scholar Gypsy. Thyrsis, Dover Beach and the Scholar Gypsy. Thyrsis, Dover Beach and Scholar Gypsy by Matthew Arnold, notable poems. Thyrsis is a monody. Matthew Arnold की monody है Thyrsis, a pastoral elegy to commemorate the author's friend Arthur Hugh Kellogg, who died at Florence 1861. Dante Gabriel Rossetti. Dante Gabriel Rossetti was a painter, poet, illustrator, and one of the founders of Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood. My Sister's Sleep, The Blessed Damozel, The Bride's Prelude. Dante Gabriel Rossetti की डीजी रॉसेटी की Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood में है. My Sister's Sleep, Dante Gabriel Rossetti, The Blessed Damozel, Dante Gabriel Rossetti, The Bride's Prelude, Dante Gabriel Rossetti, On Marriage Portrait, Dante Gabriel Rossetti, To Sleep, Dante Gabriel Rossetti, The Blessed Damozel, Dante Gabriel Rossetti, The Bryce Prelude, Dante Cavalry City, Ave, Jenny, Dante et Verona, Dante की है, A Last Confession, Dante are some well-known poems by Dante Cavalry City. A.C. Swinburne, Algernon. Charles Swinburne was a major Victorian poet and critic, as well as a center figure in the spirit of ideas associated with period reflection, aestheticism, and symbolism. Swinburne's poetic works include Atlanta in Caledon, poems and ballads, Before Sunrise, Song Before Sunrise, Swinburne की है, पोइम्स एंड बैलेड्स सेकेंड सीरीज स्विनबर्न की है, ट्रिस्ट्रम ऑफ लियोनेस स्विनबर्न की है, पोइम्स एंड बैलेड्स थर्ड सीरीज स्विनबर्न की है, एंड द नॉवल लेस्बिया ब्रेंडन इसकी है, पोस्टमसली है लेस्बिया ब्रेंडन स्विनबर्न की. रुडयार्ड किपलिंग एंड फ्रांसिस थॉम्पसन also wrote some good poems during the later 19th century. Rudyard Kipling and Francis Thompson are also Victorian writer. Rudyard Kipling and Francis Thompson. Victorian novelist Charles Dickens 1812 से 1870. Dickens is considered as one of the greatest English novelists. Dickens is considered as the greatest Victorian novelist. Dickens has contributed some evergreen characters to English literature. The Pickwick Papers by Charles Dickens and Sketches by Boz are two early novels by Charles Dickens. Oliver Twist, Charles Dickens novel. Nickel by Charles Dickens की है. Oliver Twist, Nickel by Charles Dickens. David Copperfield, Hard Times, Oliver Twist, David Copperfield, Hard Time, A Tale of Two Cities, and Great Expectation are Charles Dickens' work. Famous novels of Charles Dickens. No English novelist excel Dickens in the multiplicity of his character and situation. Charles Dickens creates a whole world people for the readers. Charles Dickens sketched both lower and middle class people in London. William Thackeray is now chiefly remembered for his novel The Vanity Fair. William Thackeray, Victorian novelist, known chiefly remembered for his novel The Vanity Fair. William Thackeray characters are fearless and rough. William Thackeray, Victorian novelist William Thackeray protested against the feeble characters of his time. Victorian novelist William Thackeray, Rose and the Ring, Rebecca and Rowena, The Four Georges are some of William Thackeray's work. Charlotte Bronte, Emily and Anne were daughters of Irish elegy man Patrick Bronte. Charlotte Bronte's first novel, Charlotte Bronte's sisters are Victorian novelists. So, Charlotte Bronte's first novel, Charlotte Bronte's sister Emily Bronte and Anne Bronte are Victorian novelists. Charlotte Bronte's first novel, The Professor, failed to find a publisher and only appeared after her death. And Jane Eyre is Charlotte Bronte's greatest novel, Jane Eyre. The plot is weak and melodramatic. This was followed by Shirley and Violet. Charlotte Bronte's plots are outstanding and Charlotte Bronte is largely restricted to her own experiments. Emily Bronte, one and only novel, Wuthering Heights, 1847 में था. Emily Bronte का Wuthering Heights only novel is unique in English literature. Emily Bronte is the passionate love story of Heathcliff and Catherine. George Eliot, Victorian writer, is the pen name of Mary Ann Evans. Adam Bede was George Eliot's या Mary Ann Evans' first novel. Her novel, George Eliot's next novel, The Mill on the Floss, is partly autobiographical. Mill on the Floss, autobiographical of George Eliot or Mary Ann Evans. Silas Marner is a short novel which gives excellent picture of village life. Romola, Middlemarch, and Daniel Deronda are other works of George Eliot. Romola, Middlemarch, and Daniel Deronda are other works of George Eliot. Thomas Hardy. Thomas Hardy published his first work, Desperate Remedies, anonymously. Thomas Hardy published his first work, Desperate Remedies, anonymously. Thomas Hardy, Victorian novelist. Under the Greenwood Tree, Thomas Hardy, by Thomas Hardy. Under the Greenwood Tree by Thomas Hardy, one of the lightest and most appealing of Thomas Hardy's novels, established him as a writer. It was set in the rural area he was soon to make famous as Wessex, far from the madding crowd. Thomas Hardy का work is a tragic comedy set in Wessex. The novel The Return of the Native. The Return of the Native by Thomas Hardy is a study of man's helplessness before the mighty fate. The Mayor of Casterbridge also deals with the themes of man versus destiny. Work of Thomas Hardy. Tales of the urbanized wilds and Jude of the Obscure by Thomas Hardy aroused the hostility of conventional leaders due to their frank handling of religion. Mary Shelley. Mary Shelley, the wife of romantic poet P.B. Shelley, is now remembered as writer of her famous novel of terror Frankenstein. Mary Shelley का Victorian writer Mary Shelley का Frankenstein. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley, Victorian writer, can be regarded as the first attempt at science fiction. The Last Man is Mary Shelley's another work. Edgar Allan Poe, Victorian writer. Edgar Allan Poe was a master of mystery story. Edgar Allan Poe's powerful description of astonishing and unusual events has the attraction of terrible things. Some of his Edgar Allan Poe's major works are The Mystery of Mary Roget, The Murders in the Rue Morgue, The Fall of the Houses of Usher, and The Mystery of Red Death. Frederick Marryat. Frederick Marryat, Victorian writer. Frederick Marryat's sea novels were popular in the 19th century. Frederick Marryat, Victorian writer, earliest novel was The Naval Officer. Frederick Marryat, Victorian writer, all his best book deals with the sea. Frederick Eliot has a Victorian writer considerable gift for plain narrative, and his humor is entertaining. Peter Simple, Jacob Faithful, and Japhet in Search of His Feather are some of his famous work. R.L. Stevens, The Treasure Island. R.L. Stevens, The Treasure Island. George Meredith's The Egoist. Edward Lytton's The Last Days of Pompeii. Charles Ready's Masks and Faces. Anthony's Trollope's The Warden. Wilkie's Coincidence, The Moonstone. Joseph Conrad's Lord Jim. Nathaniel Hawthorne's The Scarlet Letter. These are some of other works famous in 19th century English literature.